What if I told you you could build a fully automated AI trading bot in under 5 minutes by following this video without writing a single line of code yourself? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the framework in order to get Claude to build you this trading bot. We're going to go from a completely blank terminal to Claude actually choosing the tokens we're going to purchase. And we're going to be doing this on a testnet before anything else. Once we have this built, next week I'm actually going to be putting Claude versus Grok versus ChatGPT to see who has the best in order to make these bots. But today we're just building this EVM arbitrage bot. The bot monitors ERC20 tokens across exchanges like Uniswap on the Ethereum mainnet. It constantly scans for price differences between platforms, and when it finds a profitable opportunity, it automatically executes trades to capture that spread in real time. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this video, because I'm coming out with a ton more Claude builds. Without further ado, let's dive in. So, what this bot does. Now real quick, why is this even possible? Well, 3 years ago, building a trading bot meant that you had to learn Python, Exchange, APIs, programming, and all of that kind of stuff. Now Claude Code can write all of that for you as you just read and write along. So to get started, you'll need MetaMask to deploy the contract. The website works on PC and only supports MetaMask for deployment. However, you can fund the contract through any wallet you prefer. So pretty much this Telegraph link outlines all of the tools and websites that we are gonna use, and it basically shows all of the process step by step. I'll leave the link to it in the description, and you can also check it out in the pinned comments. But if you still face any problems, you can contact us on Telegram right here. So first go to compilesolidity.org. Basically, compilesolidity.org is a Solidity compiler website used by EVM developers to code, test and deploy their contracts on the Ethereum mainnet network, because Solidity is the programming language for smart contract. Now first click on new file to create your bot file. I will name mine bot.sol. You can name it whatever you want, but sure to put .sol in the end. Once your bot file is created, the next step will be to copy the code from the Telegraph guys and then paste it into the code editor. Now come to the Telegraph link again and click on bot code link. Copy the whole code and paste it here. Once the bot code is pasted, go to the compile tab. In the compile tab, make sure to select the matching version for the compiler, so the correct version is 0.8.20. Select it and then click on compile to compile your smart contract. Amazing. So our contract has been successfully compiled, so now go to the deploy section right here. In the deploy section, select Ethereum mainnet network as the environment to successfully deploy our smart contract on the mainnet, and then connect your wallet. I have already connected mine, but after selecting the environment, a pop-up will show up, and just simply connect your wallet. Click on deploy smart contract to deploy your smart contract. So of course it requires some Ethereum to deploy our contract, and also some Ethereum for the liquidity of your bot. Let's confirm the smart contract creation and wait until it's created. Amazing. As you can see, it went up pretty fast. So now that our smart contract has been successfully deployed, we have to make sure that it is successfully deployed on the Etherscan chain. Simply click the link in the terminal. That's Etherscan link right there. So here you can see that our contract has been successfully deployed and that we are the creditor of that contract. Alright, so now is the important part. We have to fund the contract in order to start the bot. I would recommend you to start with 1 Ethereum, because the bot will execute trades and it needs gas fees, so it's profitable. So to make it profitable, just use any amount above 0.5 Ethereum, which would be enough for the gas fees and all the stuff, because as I've said, This bot executes trades in Uniswap, and also it requires the gas fees. So yeah, pretty much we have to fund the contract with 1 Ethereum. I think I'm gonna go with like 2.2 Ethereum, but you can go with whatever amount you'd like. And as I've said, I would recommend you to use at least 1 Ethereum, and the minimum amount is 0.5. Okay, so I'm going with 2.2 Ethereum this time. Let's fund our contract. Okay, so we have to open the MetaMask again. Make sure you have the wallet extension installed in your PC browser. Alright, now I've funded the contract. I need to wait until it goes through. Okay, so I have to wait until it's done. Okay, perfect, amazing. The transaction has been confirmed. Now we have 2.2 Ethereum in the wallet contract. So we are good to start the bot. Now we have to come in the deploy section, and we have main functions. One function stops the bot and another one stops it and immediately withdraws all of the funds that you've earned. Now start the bot, click start, and a pop-up will appear asking for a few cents to start the bot. Confirm the transaction. If it shows any error, try again and it will be okay. So I have started the bot for me, and we can already see some transactions happening. So this bot do multiple transactions per minute. I usually leave the bot for 24 hours and then withdraw the funds. So let's leave it running for 24 hours. Okay, we are back after a day, and as you can see, we have so many arbitrage transactions so far. Now to stop the bot and withdraw the funds, we just need to click withdraw button, confirm the prompt, and let's wait for our funds to arrive in our wallet. Alright guys, as you can see, the transaction has been confirmed and we have received the funds in our MetaMask wallet with our bot that we ran for a whole day. Now let me refresh so we can see the credited funds. Finally, we have turned our 5.5k to almost $8,000 in Ethereum. That's it for today, guys. Leave a comment if you make profit from my bot and subscribe my channel for more strategies.